ready. At the outset, a non-governmental initiative run by volunteers and aimed at collection of surplus food and its redistribution among the needy in Lahore. It may also be noted that Learned Counsel for the petitioner requested to implead certain departments. The petitioner therefore filed amended petition by including the names of the respondents. No serious challenge has been thrown to the motive set up in the crime report, though disbelieved by the High Court for prosecution's failure to establish the rancor through independent evidence. Dissimilarity of casings secured from the spot with the weapon shown to have been belatedly recovered is not of much consequence, inasmuch as the petitioner was not expected to retain the pistol during the long period of his absconsion as a trophy of his crime. The fate of the case essentially hinges upon the ocular account furnished and on Farmer's credentials as a chance witness subsequently managed at the scene is an argument structured on a half-cooked cross-examination and thus fails to inspire confidence. The witness candidly admitted that though resident of the village, he was running a computer and commerce institution. At this inconclusive probe by itself does not exclude his presence from the scene at 7:25 p.m. in an otherwise inordinate cross-examination. His presence on the fateful day is not even suggested to him, and it was merely alleged that he was not present at the spot and that, in connivance with the police, he maneuvered the crime report, a position vehemently denied. Given the time frame wherein the deceased was initially medically examined under a police docket and recording of complaint shortly preceding therefrom do not support the hypothesis of complainant's absence from the scene, he has comfortably faced the cross-examination by sharing all the relevant details compatible with the salient features of the incident and events collateral therewith. The next witness statement is in a complete unison with, and the defense counsel opened cross-examination with a suicidal question, in response whereto he stated subsequent attempts by the defense through multiple bald suggestions consistently denied failed to neutralize the impact. A witness resident next to the scene of occurrence furnishing exhaustive details found consistent with the testimony of other witness in line with medical evidence is entitled to credence without demur. Despite 3 entry wounds accused by the complainant in the backdrop of persisting bad blood reveals a truthful restraint from casting a wider net confined to the actual offender alone, who could not have been possibly swapped through substitution in a small rural neighborhood. Stop.